awusia obi awo asempa FM ene waye shock ne ho adwire no amaga ni bia te ono so ehwo awo so kai Parliamentary Volta region nsuo yiri fa wo mo na mo ni atutu atom nsam na manfo na ebo mo sika ne entade ne ade na sebre no te krokoda John krokoda TS ena manfo bi eyeye ne nyina ne sen Okudzeto abrakwa bra kopiem committee ani modi tum se ne dan ya cantonment ni ade dan no se piwa ni sika piwa wotua won honya asemtoa na so bra na de sie nsuo fa wo mo na che se ochi na ni asi nsuo ni ade ase oni kapre aso oni moa na afi manfo na edomo mo shada ne wona keka ho ba umia mo mutimi ebo modin a nanso enei enokra na bedadi na no ana Ghana ni bia to se he nipa ye bad nipa nya because sa ono akasa wo manfo ato abama wo nsuo yira fo mo munya babi na wo ye wani momobo kwane nam wo yia sa wo ne nam nsuo mi yiwa mo ne man bia momo na so edan na bosu me so a wo han kebetimi abo mo atwensuo na ye bibia na so wanye ehwesa aban mom na emeye awusia de ntie obi enei se de ne ho awo so no a watimi akeka na adwen asemtoa gibre na ye ntie mu nsema nkasa
2022 you can't tell people and rap say oyire a housewife 2022 untimi can just oyire a housewife not 2024 or 25 oyire no now a industrial woman
say bia na busuan wo sa
me say or housewife and nansa and no a industrial woman who has
e be benefit from the estate of the late father
and the father is alive. How can you live in but see young conformal properties were around her. You know, see, there are things that you don't need to tell lies about. Me say, sir, Okudzeto black, I'm telling you in confidence. If it were to be anywhere in the world, Okudzeto black ought to be the minister of Ghana had that.
I didn't
because he lied. I'm telling you, he lied. Ochantro.
That's what Ochantro, and yet you don't scream it. You prove.
No, but we can prove it. It's not necessary.
And then the man prove.
Wouldn't never go for Edaba.
Anything what them will say, some power, bet me asking about for second vetting.
No, come
more
on.
Evidence be among
but just 4 hours, but I said not sweaty. Or 5 hours. I said not sweaty. I will not take can't go asem.
Oh, that. Oh, idiots.
No, but also they can't go asem. But you heard what he said.
Honorable.
No, but you see, my point is that
honorable. Or my ancestor, Enya would die. The use of me patron. Honorable.
My no. Say, say, Ukasa, already so. Ukasa, vetting. Uba vetting committee, which is committee. The chairman of the committee is a very honorable member of parliament. I respect the papa. I therefore is one of the well-respected people in parliament. I will be in Huagro. You come and we ask you questions, and now you tend to ask and go for questions. What kind of behavior is this? Who does that? And from the yes animal way. But just to make it say, you can't tell me. I mean, my friends, me, the neighbors,
tenancy agreement.
The owner of that building. It be enough for power. It be enough for only be paying. We are politicians, but you see, be bold and tell the world that you have that property. And they just walk one thing. Oh, you want your human to be on yay. But they don't say, why do you say, no, 1 year, the paper, no, yenti. And now we're doing make up is to say, your time we as politicians, this parliamentary way, the average age of this parliament, I mean, for members, will not exceed 35. There are a lot of young people in the house. Your young people, the future belongs to us. Get any future in mind, most of them are 28, 30, 35.
Now, SS documents, I must say more so man far ma. Or more approval, the more man I say.
It's a court decision. MPP is going all out. See, I'm telling you, I am sending a strong signal to the NDC in Parliament. Any fee, maybe NDC will be I'm speaking on behalf of the caucus now. Almost mommy, but me and I make us a mom. Say. They are not going to just have us as a walkover. Caucus.
even with my numbers.
But the Oman who they are but we did politics with these people. Some of them, I did student politics with them. Minimum, yeah. I've been doing politics with them for all these. I mean, minimum. They should not see us as walkovers class. We will show them Pepe. I'm telling you.
Hey.
We are going to be so hard
on them.
You can say, Obi, because we're not going to allow them to have their way.
Secret ballot here, they are the guys who go
that at least, but we are registered displeasure. That's one thing. It's on record. Say you're too far. Ebia, okay, okay, minister, but you're too far. Open market anywhere. As I make a way, I'm not going to be a prophet of doom or a prophet or unctioned by God, but market. See, a two will get a lot of NDC people voting against him. For market.
Say, my secret ballot.
Put the market and see.
NDC for people vote against them.
You market and see. You market. They will vote. Some of them will vote against him. Against them, because the arrogance of these young men. No, me who be there.
But how is it arrogant? Or more confident?
No, it's not confident. What is confidence? More than confidence here. Are they young color? Me say somebody maybe make sure the test Madame Fupa and Mame. She is a former government organizer. Our constituency Eastern region. But the now
Emma NDC.
Test what they said to me. Oh see, Mame is sending me. Look at the arrogance.
In the matter, I've written my statement.
Yeah.
Police investigation. Me obi say me to that. So mo can say me be to tie me abofra na me pet tie be tie call bird hunting pa. Enti between 11 p.m. ekoko midnight. Na me say no, me call. Satana police as a leader in Parliament, me 2 policemen. And then soldier 4 they are sympathetic no more ba. Na me say pamucho no for me just for me to witness idea ekoso. Openi we do St. Martin's Gate wono ni pagdom ebikita sekan pa ebikita sekan kure ebikita kontima omo na St. Martin's Gate no omo to gate ni dia to baby the car nko kamba nti police phone see e bi bo ho na no bi kwa me wrem omo hu me na fei the crowd was charged almost here ye de mi funu na ebeko. No, it's okay. Somebody be funu never come. Mo for me funu ko. Nka kranka na police fo edi me won ten kakra fo fi kakra kan mi wura St. Martin's Hall. Openi mi wura St. Martin's Hall no. Pink sheet ya titi nyina. Ya titi pink sheet. Bisa fam won nyina wo pink sheet. Eni anu ndisi fo be ka so mu ni mo hwe. And then our candidate and our chairman no, they were standing before the crowd and they were chanting a yeza. Returning officer no wo no. Ye mia ne kwa ko shekona. He saw me, he was teary. Was honorable, baby edunio. At that time, my first instinct was, as a paper coin be a returning officer and bear day, because we are picking reports of Patrick Boama say a force returning officer man declare my particular candidate. To me, so Jenny back on me ben, let's guarantee the safety of this returning officer. Negative funny PA. Otherwise, I didn't know a biaba say. Kakran you returning officer no. A PA. As a returning officer, ni PA na kame. Akase me PA. As a police soldier 4, there were a lot of military men.
At the time now agents no wahin.
Agents certain kwa the men who obi omo for abo from Dwane. In fact, men who obi o MPP ni.
There was no coalition and
no, not coalition has stopped. So that time and before coalition was stopped, no more out of 200 plus, no more coalition 110 or so.
Okay.
And almost started disrupting again. It's become a minimum no as a many to minimum as MPP ni. Me police pet in an age ramming chain. And a soldier form, no catch a soldier from some more into your papa ni P, you know. I can't be saying it's when I stepped out, almost 30 videos, almost 30 shouting, room here. Somebody did at that time there. Say, we said it at them. So you couldn't do at them myself before this. Yeah, 2 war, it is here 2 war bombing.
kakran de soja for no epie afei na microphone mo ho ni nyina ba be go entrance wo say I'm going to be lynched o ma me kwan ma mi mpie the soja for ni be the starting man warning shoot am ka sam na me tutu mo wampo soja for ni be the man warning shoot na kakran onyame de me ho afofie e me pie ene ye tu ebuo kese obi election it was a war. Yes, almost at the time we bought me canny na two work sebi be a few yamin.
Now at the time now because National Election Security Task Force your madrin said for every coalition center it will be well protected. Mohana a police for no way.
Obi, soldier for di can buy your broma soldier for be really come papa that time the ashefom. Soldier for had to run helter skelter. That was why almost signed the reinforcement feature be a buy. So a do baby and a soldier for the door, but they couldn't act that time and not ye ban or Denny, Dr. Baumi, I concede. So they were so emboldened, say, in some way, can be so. You probably will feed by a baby, boy, so feel baby, can even some. To answer one who goes, ye crack ye pee. Me do, so be on him, say Martins, be do average, be do average, go pack. No, me do average him fear. Na me take first gunshot. Yo, me movie kakra into me take first gunshot and I had to speed up. Me do second point. Ye koko pan. I'm saying another one. So tana me windscreen the car. Ya send the car beyond repairs. Unyame kwa. It is omoka se bibi to anyway. My whole show mistake.
Yeah.
I mean, if you say, you see, I did a course no. It was a well rehearsed plan na yemi anomo NDC for years they were targeted seat. Then I realized that my place was targeted so kwan bia so so mu chinchi minsa no mu G seat in the frame but I stood my grounds me party for say obi you could do after that you could do if anything Koforidia no na mo se mo win election now just it doesn't make sense so why would chess we win election I didn't know to pink sheet anymore.
Are you scared of the next election?
No, I'm not.
2028.
Of course, I'm going to run again. Maybe let me declare fully. I'm going to run again. I'm going to run again because not because I'm a greedy, sir, because I'm a parliament. Obi, I mean, come to me home. For over the years, we've gathered experience in Parliament experience countable. Now, the problems NDC is having with the strong majority. The problems they are having is because become part of the team. It's before the things that we've taught, and we are able to overtake them. The last time it took, now Minister of Road had to come in to help them because experience counterpart. And this is the time party na boa me fi more fabremu. I've served this party in truth and honesty. Sisi a party na kwa hwe mu no. Bitimi dani me chinchire party no. It's a difficult time for the party. Should be a drop seat every 138. So 137 to 88. 89. Yeah, 89 Ablokumanov is going to be annexed.
But for now 88.
88. Now, with this experience you've gathered as a young man who you know more and
it's our fourth term, right?
The fourth term.
Fourth term.
Yes.
And you could be
fifth term. And you're about to 2 year and we are going to make sure that the uncle we correct it. Obi, don't overly focus on the negative. Election be unique. Sure. Titus Glover, once upon a time, he won by 3 votes.
3 votes, yes.
Then Otutu ni normal ye or stretchy ye, then he lost the seat. Once upon a time, Yendi ye winning over 20,000. This time we lost it. Once upon a time, Tama Centra, we've been winning over 20,000. We won just by 55. 55 votes. 2 bigot. Inti together with the team, we should accept where your uncle ye, then we'll correct it. And I tell you, people are beginning to show a lot of remorse and regret. So abane bi so we near we na bufu kakra o sa no mo we nyina eba people are telling us don't pray say me no ka say e kwa me sha say nyina mo dwen say e beja ye nyina
mbi and na me no ka say monetary policy na obi ma me bi sa wa say mbi and na me no ka say monetary policy committee rate e wo Ghana e ya he
Min check asset energy min check.
27%.
27, okay.
And you run a Bank of Ghana at the better abonting after monetary policy committee meeting.
Okay.
Obi betumi aka catch me say okoye meeting for na we determine the true state of the monetary policy committee rate or Ghana biom after Bank of Ghana their banana.
No.
Then same time IMF for you know mo ye adwuma. Womo the forecast of the Ghanaian economy by no. Omo say wo hwe adwuma na ye on the Ghanaian economy na. Inflation for 2025. It was average 8 plus or minus 2. We had Deloitte for Krata on the better abontia on say inflation 11%. It so obi for to me about say oba betray the true state of the inflation forecast after Bank of Ghana and IMF need Deloitte money adini na obi have the same numbers at the better abontia no ana. Because on memo high one, you will be there a friend of summary of economic and financial data.
Yes.
So that's summary of economic and financial data no. Extra Ghana economy no baby jina. And you make you na be compute. Who will be in our compute? Any MPP for layer, any this for layer. Sad data no. A Bank of Ghana economists on technical committees near there. And how much is our data net back? Omo the baby to make a no crana. And I need Felix bit me say what about or for expert for be mama be communicating the true state of the Ghanaian economy. Abra ya bemono inflation it do 54% right on the back of the COVID and the Black Sea War. The budget was 54%. No me na
Dabi.
A Ghana Statistical Service nebekae. It is open the true state of the Ghanaian economy. Ahubrasiem obi. Enye mina meka. Enye una abeka. Enye Justin Kodua nebeka. Enye Fifi Kwete nebeka. There was state institutions are calculating on mama swati. Ghana Statistical Service, Bank of Ghana, IMF data, World Bank data, and data points, now literally a difference in mean. Difference will be a 0.02.03. Into the first point, he said the into my free conference, and some person who communicated the true state of the economy. I submit humbly, say, so hope the true state of the Ghanaian economy. The institutions in this country and around the world that have already provided it. Check the IMF data, check the Bank of Ghana data, check the summary of economic and financial data, check the World Bank data, check the Ghana Statistical Service data. Since they are not there, conference.
Yeah, but you may also have heard Kojo say the government spokesperson again, many fellas didn't come out about 2 weeks ago. Now, or Kase during the transition, no, and of course, I mean, so the strength of the economy, some major indicators, wabo inflation, wabo monetary policy rate, and all of that. But yeah, no kwani make it up the economy. For example, fellas, Beka say na abaya abesen kono ye some financial commitment beer. It took transition. Who say, hey, say na a cabinet da ho. Nyoma bi abaya committee to edeka ababeto or mine so mine etria any idea. They didn't know. Omuko do transition as no who sa nyoma ni nyina. And it might really go beyond the inflation rate ne monetary policy rate. No.
Me patrol, not just those. I cited those as examples.
Okay.
Transition na musuno. Any who be to say petroleum holding fund balance is a wo. It is a debit credit. At the same time, I will be who debit, at the same time, be who credit. I will quite any problem. But I'm saying, so the true state of the Ghanaian economy, in a conference, but data no from multiple sources, depending on the type of data you pick. So data, your annual public debt report, debt data no. So economy growth, your service data. so sector by sector of the economy, month by month, baby. Ope CPI, obinya ope PPI, obinya. Into all the data, no, respectfully, it's available. Into the point, say, any conference, no, the best say the true state of the economy because data and the war. So we have a fair conference to communicate the real state of the economy. Obi better say the person apart from data na no person chichire juma foforo. Now create impression be say the boss a share no the foforo nti won to me so. That data we any transition time you publish no every month